Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to sublimate on a keychain, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how I did this. The first thing I did was insert a shape, which is the circle, because that's the shape of the keychain I'm going to use. And actually it popped out perfect because it needs to be 2 by 2, so that worked out great. And next, I found some really cute polka dot backgrounds on allfreedownload.com, and I'll leave the link below. So I saw some cute ones, and I'm going to go ahead and upload the one that I want to use. And let's just make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so what I did was I took the circle, and let's arrange and send it to the front. Okay, so I'm going to put the circle inside the background, select it, and then select slice, and then delete that and move this aside and delete it. So that's how you get the background on the circle. The next thing I'm going to do is write my name, and the font that I used was Margaret. So let's go ahead. Margaret River. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to click on offset, and it defaults at 0.25, so I'm just going to use that, and you hit apply. Then I'm going to select my name and change that to white, and then select the offset and make that pink. So now I'm going to select this and group it together, unlock it, and just kind of make it a little bit smaller, and just position it how I like on here. And then I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click flatten, and that's it. And next we will, let me turn my Cricut machine on, okay, and I need to plug it in to my laptop. Okay, so next I'm going to click make it, and we are going to use printer jack sublimation paper, and it has to be mirrored. Then hit continue, and then I'm going to send it to my Epson sublimation printer. And the first thing that I like to do is always make sure that I have the printer set up for the best quality. So how I do that is in the lower left in the search field, I type in printer, and once that comes up, it is this one. I like to click, let me scroll down, click manage, and then printing preferences. And then I like to make sure that the paper type, it's usually on plain paper. I like to put it on premium presentation paper. Whoopsie. Let me go back in there. Okay. And the quality is usually defaulted to standard, and I change it to high, and I keep doing that. Okay. And then you can click OK. And then more options, I change, it's usually defaulted on automatic. I change it to custom, then click advanced, and then I make sure that the color control is on. The color mode says Adobe RGB, gamma is 2.2, and then I like to put my my colors like at 10, and that's just how I like it, and everyone's is different. But pardon me, that's the microwave going off. Okay, so then I go ahead and you can hit OK or apply, and so that's all set to go. So we're going to go back to the Cricut, and I'm going to send it to that printer and turn the bleed off, and we're going to go ahead and hit print. Okay, so it just came off of the printer, and you can place it on the Cricut, and the Cricut will cut it for you. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut it myself, and just get this out. Move this aside. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut it right down the center. Okay. And the reason it doesn't really matter at this point is because I want to leave some excess to tape. It's just a preference if you want to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is take off the plastic on this keychain. Let's see, I almost got it. It's just a little, okay. Very important to take this off. Okay. And I'm going to do both sides just so I don't forget. Okay. And this is Sublimation keychain, and it really makes a difference when you sublimate. And let me get the tape ready. I'm going to use heat resistant tape as well to keep it securely on there. And let's get this. Okay, so I'm going to get this ready and put parchment paper right underneath it and make sure that this is facing up. Let's just double check. And I also want to make sure that I get ink. I want to make sure that I get this image on here and there's no like, you know, part that's not, okay? And let me cut the tape. And I'm going to tape this, and I got a big piece of tape. Let's change this. And you want to make sure that it stays nice and secure. Okay. So then I'm going to wrap it in the parchment paper. And then I'm going to apply the Cricut press on top. And I have it at 360 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and do that for a minute and 30 seconds. So let me go ahead and put it on there. Okay, so I ended up doing 2 minutes, and it's really, really hot. So I'm just gonna wait maybe a few minutes, and I'll be right back, and then we'll take that off. Okay, so it's probably been 30 seconds. I'm kind of impatient. So let's go ahead and try to take this off. Okay. And let's turn it over and take it off. Woo! It's hot. Oh, that's so cute. Isn't that cute? That is so, so cute. Okay, so I'm going to let this cool. I keep saying that, and I'm just impatient, and I don't. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it around and do this side. Oh, I love it, you guys. It is really, really cute. Okay, so let's just let's go ahead and we can put the other stuff on. Let's go ahead, and we want to make sure for this side I am going to kind of cut a little bit closer because I do want to make sure that I don't get any of the white. You know, I just get the image. Okay, and let's go ahead. We're going to place it. Let's right this way. Yeah, that way. Okay. And now I'm going to get some more tape. Okay. And let's make sure. Yes. Okay, and we're going to tape it on. And tape this on as well. Okay, and get a new piece of parchment paper, and let's turn this upside down so we can get it that way, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to do 2 more minutes, or 2 minutes on this side, okay? And then I will be right back. This off. Okay, Okay, move this aside. Isn't that cute? That's so cute, you guys. Okay, so this comes with the Sublimation blanks, and it's just a little piece that you put here, and then you push down into the hole and it snaps. And you know what, before you do that, you put this here. Okay, and you just snap it, and that's it, you guys. Isn't that so cute? So I have you know, just the acrylic keychains, and I'm going to take some of the one of the tassels from here. So this does not come with the sublimation, but I think it's super cute. So let's pick a color. Let's do like let's do that. I love this color. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on here, and then we are done. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you don't already subscribe and you like to see more of my videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Bye, see you in the next video.